What's up, guys? My computer froze. Everything's being super strange. I think Craig Wright is hacking me right now. He doesn't like what I'm saying. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what that was, guys. My computer just locked. Guys, like that never happens. It's so weird. Is it? I hope this is the same stream. I think it is, right? I hope it didn't create like a new stream. All right, guys. I think I'm back. I think I'm back. We should be good to go. Let's see what's going on here, guys. All right, so we're back. We're back. We're back. Okay, cool. Same stream. Cool, cool. Hold on, guys. All right. It says elapsed time of 1 minute, so maybe it is a new stream. Is it? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? I'm back. My computer just froze, but I'm back. I guess, yeah, it's a new stream. That's really annoying. It's really annoying. Whatever. Doesn't really matter that much. But I guess maybe we'll get some more viewers because there's a new notification apparently. Cool. All right, we're back. All right, let me get everything set up here. Let me just make sure everything's set up, guys. Still got the same amount of viewers pretty much, so we're good, guys. We're good. We had a bit of a technical malfunction there. Computer just completely locked up. All right. And it looks like Bitcoin Cash is still at $250. That's pretty crazy, right? Let's go see what else, what other exchanges look like. So it seems like a hacker who bought at 20K is hacking you. That's fine. So Bitfinex USDT is $250. Looking like OKX Bitcoin USDT is $438. What the hell is going on here, guys? So bizarre. Yeah, it's like a space ambient mix. What should we be looking at? What exchange should I look at for Bitcoin Cash? I mean, I always use Bitfinex, so just for my analysis, I mean, it's still sitting here. That's crazy. So let me go ahead and remark everything that I marked before. So in the beginning of my stream, I was marking this. We had this. Of course, that. Something like that. Yeah, $250 can't be right. I agree. That's I guess that's the tether manipulation. Let me see what I'm pretty sure it's not actually $250. Yeah, it's probably because Tether just did something ridiculous. So Tether did fall to 96 cents just a little bit ago. Bitcoin's making a pushback. Gotta remap everything I drew before. Because my computer froze and I had to shut it down. I forget exactly how I drew this. I guess it doesn't really matter, to be honest, but something of that effect. Sorry guys, my computer just completely froze. And I had to restart the whole thing. Guys, hit that like button again. It would help me out a lot. Had to restart this stream. It's so annoying. So Bitcoin is making a bit of a pushback here. Retracted the downward thumb. There you go. Alright, Bitcoin is pumping, guys. Bitcoin's pushing back. Let me bring back this Hash Wars link. So Bitcoin's breaking out, guys, here on Bitstamp. Still waiting for a breakout on Bitfinex. So we're having resistance breaks now on Bitstamp. So if we're looking at this from this perspective here, so our next resistance is going to be probably about right here, which would be our 55.75 level. So my computer shut down. I had to redraw everything, guys. Very annoying. Was my camera focus off? Yeah, so since Bitcoin's dumped, we've been kind of stuck in this area. I mean, I guess technically you could map it like this as well. But, you know, this is the more consistent support area, I would say. Doesn't really matter that much where you draw this, but Looks like we're getting a bit of a resistance break. See if we can find some follow-through volume. Bitfinex, we're not necessarily breaking out just yet. Building on that resistance line a little bit. Yeah, I think there's just so much going on here, so I have to. Let me just turn off some of these links. Cancel some of those. See if that helps the stream quality. I'm gonna look at this on my phone to see if the. It should be a little better now, I hope. I think so. Or is it still, it might be a little low quality. I think it'll probably come back. Four more blocks. Next scheduled Bitcoin Cash network upgrade will go live as 4 more blocks have been mined. Page will refresh automatically. I think, yeah, guys, I think it should be back now. What's up, guys? I see some new faces since I had to restart my stream because my computer locked up. I think Craig Wright's hacking me because he hates me, which is fine. Ronaldo, what's up, guys? Jerica, Casio. Seems like that notification thing brought some new people in here, which is cool. What's up, guys? What's going on? What's going on? Coming up on the next resistance point here for Bitcoin, which is on Bitfinex, it's 5,770. And for Bitstamp, it's going to be a little bit, 5,500, about the same actually. Oh wait, sorry. 5,750 versus 5,570 on Bitstamp. Here's Bitstamp, guys. So overall, for anyone new joining the stream, we've just been kind of looking at this price channel we've been stuck in. We just got a bit of a break above. So we broke that resistance line, and we have a couple more resistance points to get through, to test through. So we'll see how the market reacts to this. This increase in buy volume could cause the price to trade sideways for a bit. Maybe a little bit of upward price action. I don't expect all that much to come out of this. You know, when you're looking for a bottom, guys, you're looking for like a really, really good volume, and still, in my opinion, not all that great. But we'll see. I think there's still a lot of uncertainty, in my opinion. I wonder if people are like leaving Bitcoin Cash and these new, whatever, just and getting into Bitcoin. That could be what's happening. People are just tired of the craziness. Here's that resistance point coming up on right now. See, we got some more people coming in here. Yeah, nothing to see here. I agree with you on that. I don't think it'll hold the bounce either. Niran John, what's up? What's up? Crypto Benz. I guess got a stock Twitch notification, probably because there's going to be Bitcoin Cash is trending on stock twits. The first thing I see is someone says, this is the first message I see. BCH, holy sh... Wow. Yeah, people are all freaking out right now. Alright, let's see what Bitcoin Cash is doing. I mean, what's the best exchange for Bitcoin Cash? What makes the most sense to look at? I guess we'll just look at Kraken. Even though it's probably not the best choice, but seems to be the most reasonable. Getting a little bit of dumping here. $385. Pac-Man is here. What's up, guys? Murat, what's up? What's up? Yeah, Pac-Man, exactly. It's the first tranche of people buying and thinking that it's the bottom. Yep, I agree. Murat, they bought the rumor, now they're selling the news. Exactly, exactly. Buy the rumor, sell the news. Murat, I would not suggest shorting on 100x leverage. It's always very risky, very risky. So Bitcoin coming up on that resistance point, $5,760, getting a bit of rejection. We are above that resistance trend. We built off of the resistance trend, which makes it slightly bullish, but we're still stuck in here. Same thing happened yesterday, guys. If you remember yesterday's stream, we were looking at it. We were looking at it like this, right? We were looking at it similar to what we're seeing now, right? We were looking at it in here, like that. And then we broke out and we hit that top resistance line and came back. And then, because of that, we ended up forming, this. So similar thing could be happening here. We could be forming something more like sideways like this. Probably is likely that we end up looking something like that, where this becomes our new resistance, like something like that, and then like a new support here like that. This could be like just like shifting that price channel a little bit. It seems to be what's happening. And then, of course, we would like trade into this. Something like that is what I think is more likely here. It's just my best guess, guys. Just my best guess. But I think this is the more likely scenario. We trade into this range. I'm not shorting. I'm saying people dumping are probably shorting. Yeah, probably, yeah. Yeah, the price channel is probably shifting now with this recent bounce off that resistance point. It'll probably look something like that. Yeah, guys, I had to restart my stream. My computer froze, so smash that like button. It would help me out a lot, guys. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell button. You know the drill. Not much happening with the BCH ABC SV prices. Kind of just floating in the same area right now. So our current price channel is looking something like this. You know, not that much volume, guys. It does not tell me like this is a bottom. It's not what this says to me. It's just people making trades. Yeah, oh, there we go. Guys, I'm going to run to the bathroom real quick before we get started here again. Hold up. We are back. We're back. I mean, I assume there's a lot of trading on BitMEX right now. I don't really like to look at BitMEX that much. I don't think it's like a real good representation of what's going on. Jose says that he is scared. Guys, don't let my music like scare you. I just like to have like an atmospheric sound. So don't like. It's just a sound, guys. BTC 1800 conversion bottom. Bear markets take at least 2 years. Conservative bottom. Yeah, I mean, my guess is 2500. But yes, bear markets take a while, guys. Like, it takes a while to find a true bottom. Like, this is not a bottom, guys. I'm telling you, this is just not a bottom. This is not what a bottom looks like. You want me to check BitMEX? Guys, I really never really look at BitMEX that much, so. Or you want me to look at Bitcoin Cash, I guess, probably? It looks like BitMEX hasn't really broken resistance yet. Guys, I'm not a big BitMEX person. Like, I don't really believe in leverage that much. Let's see. Yeah, guys, this is crazy. This is definitely crazy. BitMEX is insane. So, Bitcoin's selling off a bit again. No, guys, I don't. Guys, my suggestion is to stay out of the market completely right now. Just stay out of the market. Just watch and see what happens. Nobody knows what's going to happen, right now. Like, it's so unpredictable, guys. I would not suggest trading at all. Just watch it. Just have fun. Relax, guys. Relax. Watch what's going on. Don't sit there and like scramble like, oh, how can I make money? How can I make money? It's just. You're gambling, guys. You're gambling. Just calm down. Don't approach the market with a gambler's mentality where you're just sitting there like freaking out, like, how can I make money? Like, you're gonna get screwed, guys. It's just how it goes. It's just how it goes. Just sit back, relax, watch the market, talk in the chat, ask questions, just see how it goes. You know, guys, some of the best way to learn sometimes is just by observing and not by risking and all the time. Sometimes you just need to watch and see what happens. This is Bitcoin Cash on Kraken. Yeah, I know, there's a crazy spread on Bitfinex right now. Crazy spread. Yeah, guys, there's no reason. If you're uncertain, if you don't know what to do, don't do anything. Don't do anything, because you're just going to screw yourself. Just sit back and relax. Watch what goes on. Don't put yourself in stressful situations where you're like, oh, I don't know, and you click a button and you screw yourself. Like, don't do that. Come on, guys. Just relax. Relax. It's okay, guys. You don't need to trade every day. Sometimes, guys, sometimes the best trade is no trade at all. Remember that. Two more blocks. Day trader, perma-bear, anyone? Well, guys, when we hit 2,500, I probably won't be a bear anymore, so there you go. I am a perma-bear until we hit my price target, that's for sure, because I stick to my plan, guys. I create a plan, and I stick to it, and I don't make stupid decisions. Take that to the bank, guys. That's why I haven't lost money this year, because I don't make dumb decisions. Yeah, buy the dip. Yeah, go ahead, dude. Go ahead. See what happens. Good luck. You always call me a perma-bear, but I've been right all year long. So, like, what do you want from me? Do you want me to just sit here and, oh, guys, it's going up. Oh, my God, it's the bottom. Buy in, buy in. Like, no. I'm not going to do that, dude. You keep saying that I'm a perma-bear. Come on. Like, I don't have anything against you, but I've been right about the price. So, what more do you want? Yeah, guys, like, next year, people are going to be bearish, and I'm going to be bullish. And everyone's going to be like, Kevin, you're so dumb. You think Bitcoin's going up? It's dead, man. It's dead. And I'll be like, oh, yeah? Boop. And it goes up. I mean, the only reason you feel the need to call me a perma-bear is probably because you're losing money and you're angry. It's just the truth. By the way, if you hit the dislike button, it helps my search results, so go for it. Why aren't the arbitrage bots not balancing the prices on exchanges? Any ideas? Well, guys, that's the point of price arbitrage. You need that price spread. You need to keep the price down on one and keep the price up on another, so that you can send it to that exchange and sell and just, like, basically print money. That's the point of price arbitrage. Guys, I'm just giving it to you straight. Like, I don't know what else to tell you. People tell you, they're like, oh, you can't just be a perma-bear, man. You can't just say that Bitcoin's going down. Oh, yeah, I can, because that's exactly what's happening, and it's going to continue to happen. Yeah, I don't really know much about Electronium, so I can't really talk about it. Guys, there's no volume here. Like, I would be lying if I told you it was a good idea to buy in now. Like, look at this. It's nothing. It's nothing, guys. Yeah, maybe we get a little bit of upward price movement. We're probably going to get rejected here or here or here or here, right? There's a lot of things. The downward pressure, guys, is just far too strong. I'm telling you. Crypto Dog, thanks for the sub, man. Thank you for the sub. Appreciate it. By the way, day trader, I'm not like, I don't have anything against you, but you just keep calling me a perma bear, and I'm like, yeah, well, what? Here you go. There you go. Murat. Yeah, no problem, guys. At this point, I'm just watching the market with you guys. Let's see what else is going on. Satoshi Vision back to $100. I'm looking at this trading view chart. Is this a video? I'm not going to log in right now to watch this, but... So this person who just posted that trading view chart is saying that he's estimating $1,700 as a bottom. It's possible. We'll see, guys. You know, what happens from here until we actually find a bottom, that's unpredictable, guys. Like... The price could end up swinging back up here and then falling again. Like, we could end up swinging back to, like, you know, 6,300 or something. Who knows, right? And then falling back down. But I'm not saying that's what I think. I'm just saying what happens from here until we find a bottom is unpredictable. It's hard to say. That's why I'm not trading, guys. That's why I'm not going to make a guess. I'm not going to gamble. Daniel McNeil, what's up, Kevin? Love your channel. Always keeping it real. Thanks, man. I mean, it's Dojin. It's possible. I just looked at it. I mean, it's possible. Yeah, there is. Yeah, I mean, guys, I think the only reason the price is holding this high right now is because people are leaving Bitcoin Cash and getting into something that's more stable, that's actually going up. Can you comment why the BCH price on Bitfinex? Day trader, dude, just playing. Great shows, keep it up. Yeah, I have nothing against you, dude. I'm just like, I just felt the need to point that out. Like, it's not really directed towards you. It's directed towards just like all the people who keep telling me that I can't say Bitcoin. It's a lot of people out there who criticize me for being bearish on Bitcoin. So I kind of just took advantage of your comment there to express my ideas on that. So I apologize if I offended you or something, but it's just, I just felt the need to say that. Oh, it's gold. Oh. I see what you're doing here. Oh, now I get it. So this person just comments in here. I mean, guys, I wouldn't make a direct compare. I don't really like to make this comparison. I mean, it looks very similar, but I mean that would be crazy if we had that exact same. You know, we hit on you know, bounced off one of these parabolic lows, guys. Gold on the left, Bitcoin on the right. It is pretty bizarre how similar it is. So the Bitcoin Cash price on Bitfinex, probably because it's USDT and it's being manipulated. Yeah, guys, not enough volume coming in right now, in my opinion, but we'll see. It looks like we are going to get stuck once again in this price channel here. continue the descent down, guys. Actually, I got to change the name of the stream title to number 2 because I think it started the new stream. Rishi is saying, if XLM and XRP is not affected by Bitcoin crash, will they perform in bull run? I'm not totally sure what you're asking, but I'm guessing you're saying if XLM and XRP are not affected by Bitcoin's crash, will they enter a bull run? Is that what you're saying? I mean, it depends, guys. It depends on, like, who they're partnering with. Like, there's a lot of factors involved there, guys. It depends. I don't know if I can really give you a definitive answer there. I mean, like, if XLM and XRP actually start getting adopted for cross-border payments and banks start using it, then maybe they go up against the market, but I don't know. We'll see. Looks like Bitcoin's selling off again. Yeah, guys, that's what I think. I'm not saying... So this Rishi is asking me, if XRP and XLM aren't affected by Bitcoin's price, will they go into a bull run? But then Dojin is saying, but it is affected, and I agree. It is always affected, for the most part. I'm not sure there is. I'm not sure. There is... music. I'm not sure what you mean. What does this company support mean? I'm not sure. Bitcoin Cash charts. The hipster, what's up, dude? Let's check out Bitcoin Cash charts. You mean like support team? I guess this is just where they get their information from. Because it says community-driven Bitcoin Cash statistics, so most likely this is their sources or something like that. Something like that direction. Let's go to Coinbase Pro for Bitcoin Cash. Crazy volatility taking place. I'm not sure what chart is better to use. It's a total mess. It's a mess, guys. It's a total mess. Bitcoin's coming down. What happened with BTC? In the middle, there's a percentage like the music going up or down. Looks like it's going down, guys. I mean, I wouldn't make a trade right now. It's very unpredictable. I mean, you could call this, you know, like your support line. So we'll see what happens here. And it looks like we're falling below it. Let's see if we build on it or fall below it. Yeah, day trader, I'm sorry if you're still watching. I apologize for going off on you, but I just felt the need to. Why do you think that Bitcoin is at 2.5K, not 1.4? Can you explain the reason why it will be 2.5K? I mean, guys, I have a lot of videos on that. Bitstamp has Bitcoin Cash at 374. Bitcoin formed a bull flag in 1 minute, 3 minute. Probably going to go to 550. Yeah, it looks like we are coming up on this. We're getting a little bit of support here on this area. We could, you know, we could trade up into this zone. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Yeah, I don't even know what's going on with Bitcoin Cash at this point. There's a huge difference in price on Bitcoin Cash on multiple exchanges. So guys, what you're seeing on the screen here is just what I've mapped out. We're going to see if we can hold this, you know, current support. I'll just take it away so it's less confusing. But, you know, this is this, here, let me take this away as well. Makes it less confusing. This is that price channel we're kind of stuck in right now. Got rejected off the top. This is a major resistance line right now for Bitcoin. On Bitfinex, that's 5,775 about, something like that. And then on Bitstamp, it's like 5,575. So 5,775 on Bitfinex, 5,575 on Bitstamp is that next major resistance, in my opinion, guys. Murat says, I'm not trading, just watching. It's an unfamiliar zone since it can't. Yeah, guys, it's so unpredictable right now that staying on the sidelines is probably your best bet. Hipster BTC, we're about $3,000 away from hitting the $2,500 price. Yep, trusted my gut and got some LTC at 40 yesterday, damn near lows. I mean, what? I think Litecoin's up just a little bit off that, probably. By the way, guys, most coins are going to follow Bitcoin, so just keep that in mind. Or pretty much every coin. So you're up a little bit off of that $40 mark. Tempora says, what if BTC breaks the resistance on Bitstamp and goes down on Bitfinex? What if BTC breaks resistance on Bitstamp and goes down on Bitfinex? I mean, it would only last for a short period of time, and then they would probably match up with each other at some point. If that happens, it's very unlikely to happen. If that did happen, it wouldn't last very long. Guys, I started trading with stocks when I was like 17, 18 years old. And then, you know, moved on to cryptos. Bought some Bitcoin in 2015. Bought some Ethereum in around $45 in March of last year. And ever since, I haven't gone back. I mean, guys, the stock market is also far overvalued right now. I wouldn't even... Guys, I have my hands off of everything. I'm like... Everything, it's just too unpredictable. I'm 25. I'm 25. Well, guys, I'm going to be averaging in on the way down. I'm not going all in at 2,500. I mean, there's a chance that we go lower, so you don't want to go all in. That's not a good idea. Yes, I'm also involved in the film industry. I do have an IMDb. I've worked for some, you know, some films, some short films, some documentaries, some YouTube channels. Guys, I'm gonna hit this vape if you guys don't mind, as I watch with you guys here. No. I'm not involved in XXX movies. No. Telex. World equals flat. That's funny. That's funny. Why does it seem like Bitcoin Cash is like frozen in time right now? I just want to see, because my computer froze earlier. I'm seeing if, okay, it's labeled number 2, Bitcoin continues. Yeah, I don't know. My computer froze up. I had to start a new stream. So what are we waiting from BCH again? So what are we waiting for BCH? I guess we're waiting for this block to be mined or something like that. One more block to go. Guys, I'm not an expert on the Bitcoin Cash situation. I mean, you guys probably know just as much as me about the whole Bitcoin Cash situation. Yeah, guys, hit that like button. It would help me out a lot. Yeah, on Bitfinex, it's at 250. Bitcoin Cash is at $250 on Bitfinex. Guys, it's crazy, man. I just don't even know what to think at this point. If you're looking at the prices here, it's so spread out. It's so crazy. Let's go look at Bitcoin Cash to BTC. Also getting dumped hard. That BCH crap is dumb. Yeah, I mean, I agree, man. It's like, it's just not making, it's just not, it's delegitimizing the whole crypto space, you know? It's making us look bad. It's making us look like a bunch of children. We can't agree on anything. Like, yeah, Bitcoin Cash is not trading. I don't understand what's, wait, so what is up with this, guys? Is like, what's going on with the Bitcoin Cash blockchain? Like, did they like freeze trading on every exchange? Like, what's going on? Bitstamp showing Bitcoin moving above resistance here. Bitfinex looking a little bit different. CryptoCali is back. Whoops. I think, yeah, guys, I think people are getting into Bitcoin because they see that there's a lot more stability in Bitcoin right now. A lot of people are uncertain. Hipster says, blame the creators of these stupid coins. This is the reason why Satoshi stayed anonymous, I believe. That's probably true. That's probably true. I think him staying anonymous was definitely a good move. Definitely a good move. Thing is, Satoshi might not be a person. It could be a bank. It could be an institution. It could be a group of people. We don't know who Satoshi is. It might not be a person, but it also could be a person. Who knows? This is Bitcoin on the 5-minute chart, just so you guys know. Rothschild. Could be, could be. Tim Poor says some alts are decoupling from BTC and ETH's price action. People keep buying these alts that shows some maturity in the market. It's Craig Wright. An hour ago, Binance sent out messages. BCH trading will be back in 5 minutes. Okay, okay. Dojin says that he doesn't think that Satoshi exists at all. Cassio's theorizing that it could be the Rothschilds. The Economist magazine. I saw that magazine. It was like 2018 with the chain and the coin or whatever. It is kind of weird that is a thing. Satoshi is related to Yoshi. Elon Musk. Nah, it's not. It's not Elon Musk. That would be funny though. That would be such a meme. Hipster says the Bitcoin upward movement right now is just temporary. Ultra massive resistance is created now. Yeah, I agree. I agree. It just seems like we're getting a decrease in momentum here, guys. Feels like a decrease in momentum. Ontology, Stellar, and Chainlink up 5% against Bitcoin and Satoshis. So let's see Bitcoin Cash on Binance. Let's see. Where is Binance on this? Hello? Why doesn't it show up? It's weird that it wouldn't be listed here. I wonder why exchanges wanted to freeze the trading. Are they just like afraid of a collapse or something? Like, oh, it's BCC on Binance? Oh, okay, okay. So then it's probably right here. It's going to be this one. There we go. BCH BitConnect. Like every BCH chart, every Bitcoin Cash chart looks different. It's very bizarre. Ventalis is saying, how does it look today? It looks like a mess. It's a mess. Total mess right now, all across the board. I don't think anybody has any idea what to think. It's just big confusion right now. Caprithio is saying, if it keeps falling, Bitcoin's going to break 2 times. When Bitcoin breaks, we'll have no place to stay. Yeah, guys, it could be. It might be a mess. I mean, it is a mess, guys. It's hard to really make any sort of prediction right now. It's uncharted territories. I don't think anybody really knows what's about to happen. me go on coin market cap real quick, guys. Hold on. Yeah, I see it. I see some altcoins up a little bit right now. Nasdaq coin. I don't even know what this is, but it's running hard. By the way, guys, this is the 7-day graph, not the 1 day. Bitcoin gold at $25, $26 now. We just got above 1,900 subscribers. Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. All right, let's see what you guys are saying. Even Satoshi doesn't know what's going to happen. Hipster, Bitcoin gold to 25. I don't see why not. I'll show you the emails, Kev, about Coinbase plus Abra talking about it. How you doing, Dongus? Day Trader says, this is why you shouldn't invest more than you're willing to lose. Exactly, guys. Definitely. Yeah, don't invest. It's so unpredictable. You definitely don't want to invest more than you can lose. Only invest what you can allow to go to zero. You know what I mean? Also, one thing that I don't recommend is putting stop loss orders in the market. In crypto, I don't suggest that at all, because you never know like what's going to happen. It's just your order can get sniped, you know. All right, so the Bitcoin Cash Network rules have now been activated, guys. Now been activated. Waiting for the first block to be mined. So this website's displaying Bitcoin Cash at $381. For anyone joining the stream, we're just looking at Bitcoin's price here, kind of stuck in this channel. You know, before we had a resistance line here, and we built on that, we broke above, and I redrew the channel because this kind of makes more sense. Similar thing happened yesterday, guys. We were stuck in this channel right here, and we broke to the right, formed a new channel. And similar things happening now. The price channel is just kind of getting wider and wider right now. I'm actually from the U.S. I'm from the U.S. I have family from Sweden and family from Germany. Yeah, guys, I'm still trying to see what the effects of this fork are, so we'll see, we'll see. Kenny Wood is asking, what's your thoughts on Craig Wright slamming Bcash ABC? I think Craig Wright is acting like a child. That's what I think. He's so power hungry, guys. He's so power hungry. Like making threats to people, like, just makes everything look bad. It just ruins the market. Like, it's just not good. Yeah, Craig Wright is definitely like a psychopath or something. He's like a narcissist or something. He just has to make himself feel dominant all the time, making threats. He's just a child. Total child. I mean, guys, people like that, they shoot themselves in the foot all the time. That's what they do. I mean, I agree. You don't have to apologize. The market is kind of stagnant right now. Dude is certifiable. I mean, guys, don't get me wrong. Craig Wright is very smart. Like, he's smart. But, like, psychopaths are usually geniuses. Just not good. It's not good people. I don't know. To me though, it seems like Craig Wright is not. I don't know. He's smart, but he's also just too power hungry for his own good. BTH Fork is live now. Narcissism and psychopaths go hand in hand. So there's nothing to see here. Well, I mean, kind of. Yes, in a way, yes, because everything always comes back to them, right? Somebody who's purely a narcissist is usually stupid. Somebody who's purely a psychopath is usually pretty smart. But there is a little bit of mixing of the two. I've actually done extensive research on narcissism. It's a very interesting subject, for sure. Guys, in the description, you can look to see what I'm using. It's cryptowatt.ch. If you scroll down, there should be a link down there so you guys can see what website I'm using. Yeah, guys, and if you click on this website, on that link down there in the description, it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. It's taking a little bit to load. But if you click on the symbol, like the Bitcoin symbol up here, or the Ethereum symbol, or the Bitcoin Cash symbol, like when you click on that, it'll bring you to a list with all the top exchanges, so you can click on any of them, right? Yeah, market's kind of just moving sideways at this point. Yeah, guys, I personally, I don't like to use TradingView. No real particular reason. I'm just used to this website. I just like this website. I do all my analysis from this website. Oh, Hashwar. Yeah, Hashwar. So it's hashwars.cash. Hashwars.cash. Yeah, they share traits, definitely. Telex is saying, many people are realizing that the world's leaders are born and bred puppets of the elite, pretending they are enemies and they're best friends. Yes, absolutely. Guys, a lot of the things that happen in this world are fake. Lots of the things that are happening, a lot of the wars, a lot of the financial problems are all, like, I mean, majority of them are actually orchestrated. It's true. Like, guys, the news lies all the time. Like almost everything the news tells you is pretty much a spin-off, and it's a lie. Telex is right, guys. A lot of the leaders, like Roger Ver and Craig Wright, are probably in on this together, most likely, just creating drama, creating uncertainty. I mean, to be honest, that's probably the more likely scenario here, because if they're actually as smart, if they're actually that smart, they wouldn't be doing this, guys. A lot of things are fake in this world, guys. It's just the truth. Same goes for the crypto world. Yep, definitely. Rory is asking, can you give some game plan if BCH drops hard and runs hard? View on impact of Bitcoin. Guys, I don't know. It's hard for me to say because it's you know, right now the whole Bitcoin Cash situation is affecting Bitcoin, but I think once this all plays out, it's more likely that Bitcoin will continue on doing what it does, and Bitcoin Cash will be more affected by Bitcoin than Bitcoin is affected by Bitcoin Cash. That's what I think. Joe Diol is coming in with the links, guys. Thank you, Joel. Not much going on with these prices for ABC and SV. Kind of just hanging around the same spot, it seems. It's flipped with hash rate a few minutes ago. What exactly does that mean? BCH price increase as a result? Did the price actually increase? It flipped with hash rate a few minutes ago. What does that exactly mean? I can't really. I don't know. I'm not totally sure what you're asking. The stabilization of BTC's price could be due to people exiting Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, I agree with that. People uncertain about what's going to happen, hopping over to Bitcoin, seeing that it is moving up a little bit and kind of stable right now. But again, guys, we're kind of sitting on like this support level right here, right now. One of the lows from yesterday broke down, bounced back up. Now we're sitting right here. Still stuck in this price channel, guys, for the most part. I mean, I had another price channel mapped out right here, and we built on that. But at this point, it kind of makes sense to just map it out in the way that I did here. It makes a little bit more sense. We have almost 80 people watching. Guys, hit that like button. It would help me out a lot. I smell another rollover poop. Yeah, Rory, definitely just like take a step back, you know. Nobody really knows what's going to happen here. Thank you, Justin. Appreciate it. There's no real point in taking a gamble, you know? What's the point? Next block mined is hard fork. So guys, at this point, just waiting to see how this all plays out. I know I'm not talking all that much. I'm just reading your comments, waiting to see what happens. Bitcoin's coming up on this previous support line. We'll see how it reacts. Yeah, when I started this stream, there was no snow outside, and now there's like a couple inches of snow outside. I like looked out the window before, and I was like, "Whoa, okay." Slut coin pumping on Bittrex up 200%. That's a meme right there. That's such a meme. So, Bitcoin ABC is currently 2 blocks ahead, guys. Bitcoin ABC is currently 2 blocks ahead. That's what this website's saying. This website also gives a link to discussions on Reddit. Are Venezuelan prostitutes really going to use Slutcoin? I feel like they would just use Bitcoin. I think that's just... Guys, it's just hype. It's just a meme. Like, Slutcoin, it's not going to be used. It's just a meme. Bitcoin ABC moving back up, apparently. Are we frozen on... I think we're frozen on Coinbase. This Ali Khan guy is trolling. He's trolling. Jose, I know that's not real. I know. I actually believed you that there was a slut coin. I actually believed you. I mean, it wouldn't surprise me if that actually existed. There's so many. I mean, there's like bunny coin, like porn coin or some shit. Really wouldn't surprise me if slut coin really existed. SV2, 2 blocks behind, losing ground. Some people are saying. Bitcoin SV is losing, in, you know, 2 blocks behind and going down in price right now. I was actually about to look for Slutcoin on Bittrex. I was actually about to look it up. All right, so Bitcoin's falling below this previous support line a little bit here. Guys, what exchange should I look at for Bitcoin Cash right now? I don't know, like, It's ranging from $250 to like $400. I don't know what to use. Yeah, I'm gonna go on the Ethereum network and publish slut token. We can all pump it together. I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. Bitcoin is falling a little bit here. Let me just move the support line down. So our next area to be looking at right there. $385 on CEX.io. The future. That's funny. That's like the Verge Pornhub thing. All right, let's see. Let's just go to BitMEX, I guess, and see what Bitcoin Cash looks like there. Looks like we're pushing up here on Bitcoin Cash. Yeah, looks like Bitcoin ABC is pumping up a little bit. Bitcoin SV is losing ground. Are they still 2 blocks ahead? Ollie Khan, I don't know if you're trolling or not, but thank you. There is a slut coin, it's real, it's pairing with Spang Chain. Aside from Bitcoin, are there any other altcoins that you're interested in the moment? Chainlink, guys, I'm interested in Chainlink. You know, Monero for privacy purposes. I kind of like Zcash. Not trolling this time, okay, cool. I mean, in terms of like, you know, other than like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Monero, I mean, I like Chainlink because it is revolutionizing smart contracts, for sure. There's not that many others that I would really want to even talk about at this point. You know, Rory is saying, I think Craig Wright and Roger should get cited for fund and manipulation. I agree. I guarantee you they're in on it, guys. Ripple and Stellar, I mean, Stellar has some really good market structure, guys. It's always been holding up really well. Guys, I don't really use BitMEX, so I'm wondering how do I even see ABC Bcash? Is that what I'm looking at now? No. Is it? Zero X. Not. I don't know enough about it. I don't know enough about it. Go to Binance. Wait, I want to keep that up. Actually, let me go over here. Oh, what am I? Of course. Wait a minute. Is it USDT market? Probably. Or what is it under, guys? Did they not list it yet? Okay, so BitMEX is only supporting ABC. Okay. So BCH is now dead, and ABC is in front of SV. That's what Joe Dole is saying. Looks like people are piling in at this point. I mean, people might be leaving Bitcoin to get into ABC right now. Kazi, I'm not still. I went live again today. Okay, BitMEX is ABC only now. Okay. I'll pull up the shorts. We're gonna pull back in shorts and a little bit of an increase now. Look at that. Woo! This is shorts on Bitfinex right now. Shorts are decreasing a little bit. Guys, I do have super chats now enabled, which I never had before until yesterday. So if you guys want to, feel free. That's the only disclaimer I'm going to make for that, because I don't want to sound like Craig Wright or something. So wait, Bitcoin ABC is currently 1 block ahead. So they're okay. They were 2 blocks ahead. Now they're 1 block ahead. Looking like it's turning around a little bit here, guys. Because SV gained a block, so I think people are getting a little scared here. So Kenny Wood, I mean, are you shorting this? Be interesting if you were. I'm not suggesting you should. I'm just curious. So uncertainty is starting up again. Jose put a small short on BCH, he said. Be careful, guys. Be careful. Be careful. Jose. Yeah, I'm not going to trade any of this, guys. It's a gamble. You might as well go to the casino, you know. I'm just watching. I mean, I'm just learning. I'm just observing. Rory says, put your battle helmets on. BCH chain. There's a lot of transactions being put on BCH chain. Alright guys, I'm going to take another 5-minute break. I'll be back right after the 5-minute break, and we will see what happens here. So stick around, guys. I'll be back in just a little bit. I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. We're back. In just that short period of time, I got myself a banana. I made a cinnamon Nutella sandwich, and I got myself a nice bowl of some oat cereal. I got myself a banana. I made a cinnamon Nutella sandwich, and I got myself. I hope you guys don't mind, but I've been streaming for a bit here. I need to fuel myself. It's pretty much lunchtime where I'm at right now. So what are we looking at now, guys? One block ahead still. Some of you guys took shorts. You're probably profiting a little bit if you did. Looks like there might be a bounce here. I don't know. We'll see what happens, guys. What do you mean by pans? What is pans? Yeah, from my understanding, Pac-Man, I guess BCH is dead. I guess it's gone. Oh, look at that. Oh my god. Woo! Wow. Jose is profiting right now. Jose took a short. Jose is up 300% on his short. Watch out. Watch out. You're gambling, man. You're gambling right now. Both Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV chains are at the same block height. This is a battle, guys. This is a battle. What is this? Is this completely unrelated? The hell is this? Oh, he's just making fun of the whole thing. People are rioting basically on the internet. Let's see what's happening here. Getting another bounce back. Do I think that... Do I think that Bitcoin has a future? Yes, absolutely. Yeah, guys, both sides, Satoshi Vision and ABC, are fighting now to gain control, basically, of the fork. It's guys, both ABC and SV are at the same block height. No, I do. I do think it has a future. I said I do. Oh. I see what you're saying. I mean, this website says they're still at the same block height. Look at it, it's getting pumped back up. So Jose, you made a good trade. Wait, why is this not updating? Okay, Bitcoin ABC says it's 2 blocks ahead. 2 blocks ahead. Dream Surfer's wondering what I'm eating. During my break, I got these chocolate oats, and I put chocolate milk in the bowl, so I'm like a chocolate fiend. Got myself a good old banana and a cinnamon Nutella sandwich. You guys know Nutella? That's what I'm eating right now. It's lunchtime here, so I gotta eat something, right? Bitcoin's moving sideways. Still stuck in the price channel. Bitcoin ABC is pumping once again. I'm shorting your diabetics. So, one thing that I'm thinking, guys, is that I kind of do think that Craig Wright and Roger Ver are in on this together, and they might be purposely shifting the you know, like basically staging this race and knowing what the prices are going to do and just making lots of money on each swing. They're probably going crazy right now, making a lot of money. I mean, apples are good. If you eat an apple on an empty stomach, it'll actually like clean out your, is it your liver? I don't know. It's good for your organs if you eat an apple on an empty stomach. Still pumping, guys. Still pumping. So Bitcoin ABC is now 5 blocks ahead, guys. 5 blocks ahead. 5 blocks ahead. It's pulling away. Seems to be, at least. ABC is ahead by 5 blocks, guys. OFIR says, I really think that BTC will go down to 2,000 or so, but I don't know if we were ever getting a chance to go back to 20K. What do you think of that subject? You're long, guys. I'm like, my gut feeling. I mean, my gut feeling says that it is very possible that Bitcoin never sees 20K again. But the thing is, guys, it's tough to say because the industry is still that it's just so new, right? Just like when the internet came out, you know, dial-up was the best thing that ever happened, and look where dial-up's at now. It's possible that Bitcoin is in a similar position. You know, I'm not fudding. I'm not being, you know, I'm not being mean. Like, guys, I consider all possibilities. Okay, I consider all possibilities. Some strong buy orders on BitMEX for BTC, says Rory. Let's see what's happening here. This is Bitcoin. I also got a glass of iced tea. Yeah, no problem, guys. SAI, it all depends on what Bitcoin does and what Ethereum does and other smart contracts. Because, guys, Chainlink needs smart contracts and smart contracts need Chainlink. So most likely they're going to flow, for the most part, in a similar fashion. I mean, guys, like, the thing is, even if Bitcoin is not really, even if Bitcoin's not really that useful, it can still be used as like a crypto market index, like a bond market kind of thing, where the price might not be that volatile, but it might always be around, right? It could just always be there, but not be the main currency. So, guys, I don't think that Bitcoin's really ever going to die, at least for not like 100 years. It just might not be the top growing one in the future. But I think it's always going to be around in terms of like, just sort of like it'll be like the Dow Jones of crypto or something like that. That's what I think, because it's not going to be useful enough and fast enough to use at a large scale. So it might just be used as an index or like, you know, like a digital gold or whatever, like more like an index, I would say, like a bond market kind of thing. SAI, I mean, it all, Chainlink is not going to go on its own, guys. Like, you need to understand this. Bitcoin is controlling everything. All prices are controlled by Bitcoin. So you asking me, is Chainlink going to 10x in 2 years, is the same thing as asking me, hey, is Bitcoin going to go up in 2 years? It's the same question. Right now, at least. In this current environment, it's the same question. Bitcoin ABC, 4 blocks ahead, I think. Yeah, guys, just so you know, the things that are happening on BitMEX, like, take it with a grain of salt. Because it's a lot of leverage and stuff, so it's dumb. Sometimes it's just dumb volume, you know what I mean? Just dumb people taking leverage positions, and you know what I mean. Don't think too much about it. You want to look at the main exchanges. Like, guys, if I was going to trade on BitMEX, I'd be looking at these. I mean, like, some people might say that's stupid, but that's what I would do. I wouldn't be looking here. But I don't know. That's just me. 5 blocks ahead now. Gained a block again. Put cinnamon on every sugary thing you eat. Well, this is a cinnamon Nutella sandwich. Volume for Bitcoin is definitely decreasing a lot. We're getting a little bit of sell volume too. We're still stuck in this trend. To me, it does not look like a bottom at all. If that's what any of you guys are wondering, hey Kevin, is this the bottom? The answer for me is no. Absolutely not. The fact that we got below that yearly support just shows me that we're going much lower. We're going much lower, guys. This is not bottom. It seems like every time they lose a block, like they were just 5 blocks ahead, now they're 3 blocks ahead. Every time they lose a block, people freak out. They start selling again. It's so funny. Hey, Tempora. I can prove to you that alts are pretty much following BTC. All right, ready? You want proof that everything's following Bitcoin? Here you go. Look at the charts. It's all the same. Everything follows Bitcoin, guys. Look, there's proof right there. Bitcoin controls the price of pretty much everything. It's all the same, guys. Okay, you can't say, oh, I disagree, alts don't follow Bitcoin. Because that's not something you can disagree with. It's right here. Look. Look. Yeah, maybe like one of the alts goes up. Yeah, sure. I mean, yeah, okay. But like, look at all the top coins, guys. It's all the same thing. It's not, you can't disagree. It's right there. It's right there. It's not an opinion. It's a fact. Yes, some alts like XRP or XLM, yes, sure. But majority are doing what Bitcoin's doing. Yeah, I'll agree. Some of them decouple from BTC. Some of them, yes. Very, very small amount. This is the only thing that looks different is Tether, obviously, but it's all the same. It's all doing the same thing. Like, yeah, Chainlink was going up, and then when Bitcoin crashed, it crashed as well. And this is what I said on Twitter, guys. I said, hey guys, you know, Chainlink's doing really well, but if Bitcoin dumps, so will Chainlink. There you go. Now, if you're asking, or if you're saying that alts won't follow BTC in the future, maybe. But right now they are. All right, here. All right, here we go. Satoshi prices. Look, here you go. Here's your Satoshi. Same thing. All doing the same thing. I'm not BSing you. Look, there you go. Right there. In front of your face. All doing the same. Look, BTC, Satoshi prices. There you go. Like, it's right there. Hello. Same thing. All around. Same thing. What are you going to say to that? Like, come on. But you want to show me Ethereum prices. Okay, here you go. Same thing. Oh, show me XRP prices. Oh, wow. Look, pretty much the same thing. It's all moving the same, guys. And it's because of Bitcoin. Just saying. Like, there it is. All right, moving on though. So I was just eating, so I was kind of like, just chilling out. So Bitcoin ABC is still 3 blocks ahead. What's up, Crypto Cali? It's fork time. No, Craig, no. That's actually kind of funny. Well, Bitcoin's just trading sideways. I did, dude. I did. Look, here you go. Ready? Look, ready? Click. BTC. Right there. There you go. There's BTC. Scroll. Look, there's no USD price here. It's all Bitcoin. Look, Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin. Same thing everywhere. This is Tether, okay? Everything else is the same. There you go. Look, Bitcoin. Everything does the same thing, okay? Yeah, Chainlink was pumping because the Oracle people were hyping it up. But look, when Bitcoin sold off, everything sold off in the same way. Look at that. Same thing everywhere. This is true USD, so it's different. This is true USD, it's not a crypto. Like, you can't argue this. If you're going to tell me that I'm wrong, I'm actually going to block you because then you're just completely ignorant. I'm not going to block you, but I really would like to. Because look, you're wrong. Like, that's just how it is. I'm sorry. Look, Bitcoin prices, same thing everywhere. Come on, man. Come on. It's like the evidence is right there. I don't even know what you're trying to say. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what this is saying. It's the price movement is all the same. Look, it's all the same. Look, BTC. Here, now back to USD. Look. Back to Bitcoin. Look. Back to USD. Look. Same thing. There you go. So we're still 3 blocks ahead for Bitcoin ABC. Price seems to be holding. Building higher lows here. So it looked like, is XRP going? That's what it kind of looks like. A little bit. Not much, actually. Wait, SV pulled back some turf in what? You just mean in the block? Still, the ABC is still 3 ahead. I would like to know what Mark Demicel thinks right now. I would like to get Mark's opinion. I wish Mark was here to talk about it. Wait, so does anyone know? We have 68 people watching right now. I want to know what happens if SV catches up. Like, what does that mean? What does that mean, guys? If SV catches up, What happens in the exchanges? Like, what does that mean? Does that mean like it automatically is switching? Like, how does that work? Oh, guys, I'm not getting into this. I'm not trading this. This is all just a game. It's all just a gamble. I'm just here to. This is like watching the Super Bowl for me. You know, like it's what it is for me. I don't really care to be involved in it. I just want to watch it. It looks like Bitstamp's chart's building a little bit better than the way that Bitfinex's chart is building. Coming back up on top of that support or previous resistance. Yeah, guys, I'm curious. For all you guys watching right now, I know I've been streaming. I've actually been streaming for like 4 hours. I had to restart this stream. I'm just curious, how many of you are interested in actually getting involved in the whole Bitcoin Cash situation, like buying in or whatever? Like, if you are interested, hit 1. If you're not interested, hit 2. For interested, hit 1. If you're just like I don't want any part of it, then click 2. I'm curious to see what you guys are all like. What I want to know, like what my audience is, you know, what you guys are actually interested in. Are you actually interested in getting into this, or you just want to watch this mess take place? So 1 is you are interested, 2 is you're not interested. A lot of 2s, a couple 1s. Okay. Mostly 2, some 1s. I'm just curious to know, like, if my audience, like, what, you know, just want to know. Click 1 if you're interested in getting involved in this fork, or in Bitcoin ABC or SV or whatever, and click 2 if you don't want any part of it. Jose, everything you say makes me laugh. I don't know why. 222. So we got like 10 or 11 2s and half as many 1s. So majority don't want to even get involved. 69. Yeah, like, do you want to buy into this, or do you not even care? Jose is a 3. Jose is on another level, guys. Discounted buy opportunities. Let the pigs slaughter each other. I agree with that statement, definitely. Yep. Yeah, that's my thought as well. Better stay out of crypto and just watch to entertain yourself at this point. Yeah. Rory, I'm not sure. I'm not too sure. What are we at? So ABC is still 4 blocks ahead. Crypto Kibo, are you sponsored by MIB Coin? ABC at 15 blocks, SV at 11 blocks. So guys, can somebody answer this? I still don't know. Like, what happens if SV takes over ABC? Like, in terms of the exchanges, like, what happens? Does it's just the same chain? Like, how? Like, I don't get it. Like, do exchanges have to pick one, or like, how does that work? Yeah, I agree. The names suck. Bitcoin Satoshi Vision. It sounds like they were just sitting there. They were like, "All right, we have 5 minutes to come up with this, or actually, we have 30 seconds. What will make people buy it? Satoshi's Vision. Write that down. All right. ABC. Good enough. All right, publish. Let's go. Like, that's literally what it feels like. Just a load of crap, in my opinion. It's just money-making schemes, guys. I'm not taking part in this right now. I mean, if you're trading this, you know, good luck, but... yeah, ABC literally just shows they don't care. I agree. I feel like Craig Wright and Roger Ver, I feel like their outlook on people is they actually believe that we're all stupid. Like, they fully believe that we're all stupid. I honestly believe that. I think they think we're all dumbasses. Which some of us are, but... so most exchanges are only supporting ABC. Does anyone know why? It's not even listed on CoinMarketCap. I don't really want to look into it. I mean, did you launch that yourself or something? Yeah, guys, John McAfee is kind of a clown at this point. Like, he's smart. Don't get me wrong. The guy is very, very smart. But his public image is kind of just bad. Now it's just ruined. Oh, Mibcoin. Wait, Mibcoin. I spelled that wrong, I guess. Mibcoin. I mean, it's a very small market cap. Mega small. It's just a project, guys. I doubt it's going to be actually used by anybody. It's just a test project, probably. I'm reading that link that Joe just put it in here, the medium.com. See this part right. Whoops. This part right here. Supporters of both communities have conflicting definitions of economic freedom and conflicting views on the future purpose of Bitcoin. Conflicting ideas on the goals that need to achieve. I think this is a load of crap. I think Craig and Roger know exactly what they're doing. And it's not economic freedom that they're looking for. It's power and control. Supporters of both communities have conflicting definitions, or supporters of both communities have conflicting ideas of the power and control and the purpose and the power of the future. Like, I guarantee you, like, this is BS. BS. If they really cared about economic freedom, they would just use Bitcoin. But they want control, they want power, they want money. Okay? Roger Ver and Craig are very corrupt. Very corrupt. If they really wanted freedom, they would just use Bitcoin. What are we at now? Oh, no, guys, I'm not criticizing the article. That's not what guys, what I'm saying is, I think that Roger and Craig are lying and that they don't really care about economic freedom. I don't think they care about economic freedom. I think they care about power and control and wealth. That's what I'm saying. Nothing's wrong with the article. What I'm saying is, I don't think this is the real reason why there's a fork right now. I think the real reason is that they want power and control. Guys, I think Roger's gonna win, probably. Roger has some real connections, guys. Roger has connections to high power. I can't even tell you how I know that, but I know that he knows some fucking weird people. Power and Chaos Billionaire is Monopoly, yep. So we're gonna go into a little bit of conspiracy time for a second. I don't want to make this channel about that, but if you guys know who Shane Dawson is, and this is weird, Shane Dawson, the YouTuber who is now like one of the biggest in the world, biggest YouTubers in the world, Shane Dawson, on a podcast with H3H3, he said that he investigated a pedophile who was very, very powerful and wealthy, and Roger Ver was good friends with him. So I have no doubt that Roger's going to have his way. Roger's going to get his way. Roger has the connections, guys. Roger has the connections. Roger will win. I bet you. Yeah, Lennon, I also thought that too, but who knows? ABC is 6 blocks ahead. John Podesta, I think that's the name, I think. That guy's a pedophile, and Roger Ver's good friends with him, and they have power. They have power, guys. Roger's gonna win. Not that I want him to or anything like that, but Roger's gonna win. I'm not taking sides here. I'm not taking sides. I'm just saying, Roger's got the connections. Roger paid his dues and allowed himself to get blackmailed for the power that he has. Just saying. BTC.com is powerful. Yep. SV is getting dumped a little bit. Rich is asking, do you think the stock market will hold its bull run long enough to have one last crypto bull run first in 2021? Probably not. Probably not. The stock market's sitting on the biggest bull run that it's pretty much ever been on. So, what's happening today? Dow Jones is up 0.7%. I could be wrong though. I could be wrong, but I don't think that it's going to last that much longer. Yeah, hipster, BCH is gone. Bitcoin Cash is gone. It's now either going to be BCH SV or BCH ABC. Bitcoin Cash is out. It split. It was Bitcoin Cash, and Bitcoin Cash got split. That's what happened. It broke into two. So Bitcoin Cash is out. It's gone. So Bitcoin is still stuck in this channel right here. So guys, I'm probably not going to stream for that much longer because things are kind of slowing down now a little bit. So if you guys want to look at who is winning in terms of the block height, you can. Here, I'm going to post a link here. Both to 0. This isn't the real Charlie Lee, is it? No. Fake Charlie Lee, not real Charlie Lee. It's a fake account, guys. If Charlie Lee was in my stream, I'd probably shit myself, but he's not. So I can't use BCH blockchain anymore? No, I don't believe so. I think it's gone. It's split. It's split. Lennon says, I'm getting BitConnect vibes from Roger Vera. It's not that bad, but it could be. Roger Ver is bankrupt? Is he? I'm not sure about that. Maybe. Let's see what Reddit is saying. Total market cap is 183 billion now. Total market cap for Bitcoin is 97 billion, exactly almost. XRP is above Ethereum at the moment by about 400 million. Vitalik congratulated Roger, says Rory. Did he do that on Twitter? On live stream? Vitalik did it on a live stream? Well, guys, can you post the channel on here? Can you guys give me a link? What channel is it on? I don't think I can see it.
Mine on the ABC chain, and I'd want to develop a longer.
All right, hold on, guys. So I'm going to stop the music. And I'm just going to play this if you guys want to see it.
Going back to the start of the hashmap. So all I'm saying is that the conclusion of this is basically that is an example of an attack that could occur. It really depends on how much hash power is being allocated to what chain for what purpose, whether they're being announced publicly or not. And something like that is possible if they have enough hash power. So I would hold off celebrating. You can really know that you have not just the longest chain, but so long that it can't be reorged.
So I keep my cards close to my chest still until we 100% for sure know that we won the battle, but I'm not worried about what Ryan just talked about. So, and so maybe Ryan and Ryan, I want to thank you. Like you're in friendly territory, but a little bit hostile territory at the same time, because like we all love and appreciate your work, Ryan, but you're slightly on a different philosophical or a different viewpoint on the fork here. But we all really appreciate your effort and your time and your videos, and like I try and watch every one of your videos and really appreciate it. I want to thank you, and thanks to everybody on the channel and everybody watching out there around the world. Like the Bitcoin Cash community supports free and open discussion about these ideas. Like
right
in the original fork and the original scaling debate, anybody with a different opinion had their post deleted. They wouldn't be allowed on any of the these sort of discussion platforms to talk about. So thank you to all you guys for supporting free and open discussion about these ideas. So
that note, we've invited let's see, several people, including Jack Liao, other people from Bitcoin Gold. I've tried to get on this chat, anonymous people who don't want to be public.
We even invited NPCs.
Yeah. So, floor is open. Anyone out there watching who wants to come on here and
I think Aaron's going to join. Aaron Van Weerdum.
If you see this, hang on one sec. I'm inviting
Have you heard anything? Have you heard anything from Andrew Stone or Peter Risen or any of those guys from the BU team?
I think they're super busy at the moment, making sure that everything continues to go smoothly. So
yeah, don't get Peter. He's busy.
Yeah, all those guys are super busy. So like, we'll talk to him in a day or three. So.
we have any updates from Craig? I know he was considering popping in.
I don't think he's joining us.
Yeah, like
I just sent a link.
Vitalik's a pretty intimidating guy. I mean, I wouldn't join this channel
It's
either.
hard to follow up me, right?
I know, man. He's a strong man, strong young man.
It's Vitalik. Only alpha soy boy.
He is the alpha soy boy.
Alpha soy.
Alpha soy boy.
Been up for way too long.
Wait, is this Fez on? Who's behind you, Roger?
Got a bunch of people here. So yeah, I got Christos and I got Bacano and Daniel and yeah, we got all sorts of Bitcoin Cash supporters here. Here we go. Yeah.
Bacano.
Yeah. Yeah, join us. Bacano. What do you got to say? What are the people from Venezuela from?
Helmet.
¿Cómo estás?
We win. Did you go to the barber and ask for a Kim Jong-un? That's nice of him.
Bacano, give a shout out to people in Venezuela and Colombia watching, please.
Señores, les voy a hablar en español. Recuerden que usar Bitcoin Cash es lo mejor, cero costo. Y bueno, para los venezolanos, lo que estábamos esperando llegó. Aquí estamos en medio de la guerra de hash, pero les quiero decir, usen Bitcoin Cash, compren, vendan sus productos y lo mejor de todo, no necesitan autorización de Maduro, sin autorización de Maduro. Así que, let's go.
Muy bien dicho, amigo.
Y disfruten de este Bitcoin Cash.
You heard it, folks. I'm not quite sure what he said, but that's the word from Venezuela.
It's fast and it has low fees.
I'll translate. He said that Bitcoin Cash is fast, cheap, reliable transactions in his cash.
They don't need Maduro authorization for this.
And they don't need Maduro's authorization to use Bitcoin Cash. So. Great. Who wants to? Who else from the room? Hey, Daniel, I'll send you the link. I'm going to sign off with my computer because I have to present to the conference in the morning here in Athens on the benefits of economic freedom for the world and Bitcoin Cash, of course.
I can do it in mine. We can play with
And
that.
so Andreas will log in with his computer. See you guys.
Bye.
Take care, Roger.
Ryan Weiss.
So we came in on. I didn't even know that stream was happening. We came in at the end of that stream there. It is what it is, though. But yeah, guys, I think I'm going to end the stream soon. Let's see what's happening. Bitcoin's still moving sideways for the most part, pushing up a little bit. Yeah, I think Roger won this one probably. Rico. Yeah, that's what I figured. I probably didn't miss much. Yep. Yeah, guys, any last minute thoughts, questions, comments? Let me know. I'm probably going to end the stream. And of course, if anything happens, I will be live again.
Сегодня я вам покажу.
I'm not going to watch this. I'm assuming you bought into this and you're trying to pump it, so I'm not gonna promote that. Sorry, I'm just not, like, you're not gonna get me to shill for your coin. I'm sorry. Oh, you're from South Africa, okay. How do you know the best time to buy BTC? It all comes down to the market environment, guys. We'll have to see how it plays out. We'll have to see how it plays out. In my opinion, we're most likely not going to see. I don't think this is the bottom, guys. Even if we do, even if the price does break out of here, it's going to get rejected somewhere. In my opinion, we're going to fall back down. I don't think this is the bottom, guys. I wanted to see Vitalik clap. Yeah, to me, guys, just in terms of the volume, it does not look like a bottom. It doesn't look like a true bottom. But yeah, guys, that's probably going to be it for me today. Thank you guys all for joining. Thank you for supporting the channel. Not too much to talk about now, as Roger Ver seems to have taken the cake here today. Rory, just send me an email at kevinsvensson@msn.com and let me know like what it is you're thinking. But yeah, guys, thank you all for joining. Peter, thank you for commenting. All you guys, Rory, Crypto Cali, Crypto Kibo, all you guys. I mean, I can't even. Hipster, Lennon, Rory, the fake Charlie Lee, CVNRO, Lennon, Joe with the links. Joe posting all those links that helped me out a lot. Joel, of course, Lewis, Ronaldo, Frederick, Rich. I probably missed some names. Alan. I'm sure I missed some names in there. Rico. All you guys. Thank you all so much. I appreciate it, guys. Peace out. Have a good night. Stay safe. Don't do anything crazy. And I will see you all in the next live stream. Remember, guys, my last piece of advice for you guys is trading opportunities are like trains. There's always another one coming. Trading opportunities are like trains. There's always another one coming. So don't FOMO. Don't go too crazy. Peace out, guys. I'll see you. Thank all you guys. I appreciate it. Peace out.